Year 10 Geometry Exam Practice Question 6. In triangle AEB, AB and DF are parallel. Let's calculate with reasons the sizes of all angles included indicated with a small letter. So the first thing I want us to think about here is the following. Inside this triangle, we know all angles add up to 180 degrees. So that means I am able to say that I have y plus 4x plus 80 is equal to 180. I can also go the next step further, and I am able to take 80 from both sides because it's an equivalent relationship. So y plus 4x is equal to 180, take 80 equals 100 degrees. I can also see another relationship. And there is another relationship over here, which we've got a supplementary angle. A supplementary angle means that we have two angles, y plus 8x, and it adds up to 180 degrees. So now we've got two equations. We are able to use them to assist us and use our understanding of simultaneous equations. So I'm first going to get y by itself, and that's by taking away 8x from both sides. And now I've got 180, y equals 180 minus 8x. So the next step that I would like us to take is, I know this is worth y, so I'm going to put it into my equation. So that means that I have y is 180 minus 8x. So 180 minus 8x. And I'm then plussing 4x, and that is equal to 100. So I can then go to the next step here and simplify that a bit more. So I can say that I've got negative 8x plus 4x is equal to negative 4x. So that gives me 180 take away 4x is equal to 100. I can then get my constant onto one side, so I can take away 180 from both sides. That leaves me with negative 4x on one side, and 100 take away 180 is negative 80. The final step is I'm wanting to get x by itself, so I need to divide both sides by negative 4. That results in an x being by itself, and negative 80 divided by negative 4 is equal to 20. So now I've found what x is equal to. I am able to now solve. So again, I am going to start off with my equation over here. Y plus 4x is equal to 100. So that just means that I know that my x is 20. So I'm just putting it into that place. So 4 times 20 is 80. So I know y plus 80 is equal to 100. So I just need to take away 80 from both sides, and that leaves me with 100 take away 80 is 20. So x is 20 degrees and y is 20 degrees. The next thing I look at is my z. This is where we need to understand corresponding angles. And because we've got two parallel lines and the same line going through both of them. So if this angle here is 80, then Z has to be 80 as well. And that's just because of our understanding of corresponding angles. So Z must equal 80 degrees. If you forget about that, we could look at the supplementary angle here, and this angle here would be 100. And then we could look at Z and 100 degrees are co-interior angles, which means they must add up to 180 degrees. So we can use all of our angle knowledge.